Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Halfway Through the Week. Today is Wednesday, February 12th of 2020, and there are many announcements for today. So today is an early dismissal day, so dismissal will be happening at 1:05 today. We also have our 4th and 5th grade students on a field trip for this morning, in which they will be leaving right away today at 7:45 and then coming back by 10:30. Boys and girls, just a reminder, our Valentine's Day parties are coming up tomorrow at 1:30 to 1:55. And also, if you have World's Finest Chocolate money out, please try to get that in on tomorrow, which would be Thursday, February 13th. Also, there's no school this upcoming Friday and Monday. So Friday is a school improvement day, so I'm sorry, teachers, you still have to come to school. But Monday, everybody's off. So Monday is President's Day in observance of George Washington and Abraham Lincoln's birthday. For birthdays, today we do not have any birthdays to announce, so no birthdays for today. And our lunch choices would be mini corn dog, peppy pizza salad, or ham and cheese sandwich. And today we have our pause brought to us by Mrs. Manally's first grade students.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, and we have 3 students here from Mrs. Manally's first grade class who are going to be going through things about the playground.
No climbing up the slide. No pushing. Don't stand on the merry-go-round.
Those are great things. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, and everyone have a great day today. A lot of things going on, but the biggest thing today, early dismissal, 1:05. Have a great day.